A health crisis and an economic recession is expected to bolster Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong's party and extend its unbroken rule. The entry of the Prime Minister's estranged younger brother Lee Hsien Loong into the political fray has also injected some hope for the opposition. However, University Technology Malaysia UTM Political Analyst Azmi Hassan believes the feud will have no impact on voter support on polling day. Loong brought his family feud into politics by joining the opposition party, claiming that the government party has lost its way.
I would say it's going to give a very minimal effect. And I think the opposition, the party which Hsien Loong joined, which is a progressive party, realized this. I think that's one of the reasons why Hsien Loong was never chosen as the opposition candidate. So to answer your question, it's going to be a very minimal impact on PAP since this is a sibling rivalry.
Azmi also believes that if the current government prevails in Singapore, not much will affect Malaysia-Singapore relations. Foreign relations will remain the same. However, the Malaysian government might be inspired to host an election of their own.
There will be no drastic changes on Singapore's foreign policy part regarding Malaysia. So I would say there wouldn't be any drastic changes because the government right now and the government after tomorrow, that is after election, will be the same, except that the outcome of the election will give some signal to our government here, the Perikatan Nasional Government here, whether to call their own election.
The People's Action Party, PAP, has ruled Singapore since 1959 and has been praised for its economic management, but also criticized for muzzling the media and dissenting voices. However, the ruling party's handling of COVID-19 has recently found favorable international media coverage, which may affect voters' decision on polling day.
When they are facing a crisis, and in this case they are facing a pandemic, COVID-19, usually they will vote for a government that has been tested before. And in this case, the PAP. And I'm sure because of the COVID-19, how the Singaporean government handle, they have a positive view on the voters.
PAP won a landslide victory in 2015 with 69.9% of total votes and swept 83 out of 89 parliamentary seats. This year, the ruling party faces contests for all 93 parliamentary seats, but from an opposition force that is fragmented.